What do we got?
I'm not coming on your property.
What do we have going on today? Can you answer a question?
Just taking some pictures today.
Okay, that's not going to be allowed, so.
No?
You want to take pictures? Yeah, so, I mean, we ask you nicely to leave, or we just get the law enforcement down here.
Is this public property?
No, this is not.
It's
private property.
Private property.
It's treated as private property.
33 feet from the center of the public roadway.
It's private property. It's a state prison. Different set of rules.
Different set of rules?
Yep.
Private state property.
Can you cite that statute for me?
Do
I have to?
Statute.
Yeah, I'd like to see the statute.
We just get the police down here if that's what's necessary for you to do what you're doing here.
Is that the way you guys treat photographers?
Yeah, because you're not allowed to have any type of photography. It's for security purposes. So I need you to move on. Thank you, sir.
When I'm finished, I'll move on.
Well,
you're finished.
You're finished right now. So. No. That's all right.
Is that a threat, sir? Are you threatening me?
There's no threat.
You just threatened me.
Absolutely.
Where did you get a threat out of that?
To you.
Seriously.
Yeah,
you're reaching.
I'm done talking to you, but we're going to get the law.
Hey, go ahead and give me MSP out here. I've got one that's trespassing at this time.
Okay, guys, these guys are trying to say I'm trespassing.
I've asked you to leave and you haven't done it.
I'm on public property
no,
here.
You absolutely are not, sir.
33 feet from the center. You see those public utilities right here?
What I see is all kinds of signs down here through here.
Yeah, I'm not going beyond your signs. I'm staying on the public roadway here.
I need you to leave, sir. You're not allowed to photograph for security purposes. If you can't understand that, I need you to keep moving. Okay?
Yeah, I can keep moving for you guys.
All right, appreciate it.
No problem.
MSP's on their way. They'll probably be stopping with you here in just a second. Have a great day. Bike's right here. I need you to move along.
Okay, guys, see what kind of attention photography gets around here.
There's a reason for it.
That's all right. 3 to 34. Hey, go ahead. We need law enforcement out here to get this guy moving on.
Are you a reporter? Do you have clearance to record at this time? Did you get written authorization?
It's called the Constitution. It's called the First Amendment.
And there's reasons why you're not allowed to record here.
Okay.
And no, you are not on public property. I need you to leave, sir.
Okay, we got Chapico, we got Vandenberg,
Vandenberg, yes, sir.
and we've got Enrique. Thank you, guys.
Are you a reporter with
okay, it looks like he's got some gang markings. Looks like he's got some gang tattoos on his arm here.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have reporter credentials at all? No? Do you have any credentials at all? Anything? I can help you.
Are you law enforcement?
Yes, I am.
Are you a certified peace officer?
Am I a certified peace officer?
Certified peace officer with the state of Michigan.
No, I am a lieutenant from the Michigan Department of Corrections.
Okay, I'm not on your property. I'm on public property.
That's your opinion, but you're wrong. But I need you to move on. You're not allowed to record here. So if you've got credentials, I'll be happy to get you a text.
We decided to disengage these guys. We disengaged from these correction officers. They called law enforcement on me. They said, okay, you can see the sign right here. No trespassing prison property.
State property guy.
I'm not beyond that point. I'm on public utility.
We prefer you to stay at this point because MSP's on their way for you, so they'll take care of you.
He's free to go at any time. Let him
Well,
go.
that's all right. I'd rather MSP deal with you.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
So we've asked you to leave, so as of right now, you are trespassing.
Not trespassing beyond your sign right there.
I've talked to you.
I won't trust. I'm not trespassing beyond your sign.
This is the state of Michigan property, off this side of the road. This
Okay,
is
so
our
you guys
property,
see,
that side of the road.
I'm getting stalked now, gang stalked by the Corrections Department.
Do you have press credentials?
Gang stalked by the Michigan Department of Corrections. It's very disturbing, guys. These guys are here to
How about any ID?
keep the criminals locked up. And look at who are the criminals here, guys? Who are the criminals?
Do you have any ID at all, sir?
Okay, we just got a call in.
Who are you?
We just got a call in. Dispatch just ordered the call in.
Do you have any press credentials? I can get you in touch so that you can do this legally.
I've got credentials. I don't need
Okay,
you
can
to
I
tell
see
me
them?
how to get
Can I
credentials.
see them? And I'll get you that authorization you're looking for. Huh?
He is technically on state property.
Oh, I know he is.
Yeah, you can do the whole detainment thing. Really.
Okay, so these guys are off state property. Am I detained?
Nope.
You guys detaining me?
Oh, you're free to go. We've asked you to leave.
Okay,
You're
so-
refusing to do so. So at this point, we're going to have this speed come in and take care of it.
Let's zoom in on this security point here a little bit. And
We've asked you to leave.
look at this prison. This used to be the largest walled prison in the world, guys.
Can I ask who you're filming for? Who you're talking to by chance?
I'm trying to tell you guys nicely. I'm working on a story. This is an old prison, historical
I would love to
prison.
help you out.
And I'm working on a story, and I've got you guys here gang stalking me.
Did you ask for authorization to do such a thing?
So I don't appreciate it.
We don't appreciate you filming without authorization.
Okay, there goes the sheriff's department.
Yep.
He just kept driving. Just kept driving.
So I guess never mind.
Kept driving. What do you got to say about that, Vandenberg? Kept driving.
This is state property.
Okay, Vandenberg. 33 feet from the center of the public roadway. It's public easement.
And
Sorry to inform you guys of that.
It's notified.
I have no intentions on coming on your property, none at all.
You're already on.
I'm staying on public easement here.
You're already on. You've been asked to leave. As you can see by our signs, no recording equipment. You've been asked to leave. So
I haven't seen any signs that say no recording equipment.
You are criminally trespassing at this point. You understand that, correct?
Listen to this guy. Listen to this guy right here. Vandenberg.
Absolutely.
We'll call him Snickers because he carries a Snickers around in his back pocket everywhere he
Oh,
goes.
that's not nice. Am I calling you names?
All right, Snickers. Okay, Snickers. We're going to educate you guys
Please do.
today.
Please do. If you're going to educate us or you're educating your viewers.
Okay, so I'm done here with these guys. We're going to move on and finish our work here. I don't have time for these guys stalking me and doing whatever they're trying to do to me. They're trying to threaten me off this property. They called the police on me.
Yep, we have.
Very disturbing, guys. This is our Michigan Department of Corrections. Instead of keeping the criminals locked up, they're out here dealing with law-abiding these bullies, these wannabe cops. We disengaged them again. I'm guessing they're probably going to re-engage, continue their stalking efforts on public photography.
Can I help you?
No, I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. You can keep moving.
Sorry?
You can keep moving, I'm good. Do you want to identify yourself? If you got all these questions, if you want to help me with something, I want to know who's trying to help me here. Who's trying to help me? What's your name, sir?
My name's Officer Floyd.
Officer Fleur?
Floyd, F-L-O-Y-D.
Officer Floyd? Okay, Officer Floyd, thank you. I don't need any help though, sir, so you can move on. You may commence. There's nothing to see here, just public photography. Okay, so look at this prison here, guys. This is a formerly, it used to be the largest walled prison in the world. Michigan State Prison in Jackson, Michigan. Okay, so this guy just about ran over my bike. Sir, you about ran over my bike. Yeah, so we're gonna move on here.
Excuse me, what's your name?
Do not touch me. You don't have
question.
authority off of prison property. Do not touch me.
This is actually
This is public property. This is a public easement here.
What's
Those
your
are
name?
public utilities right
What's your
there.
name? What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Captain Lewis. What's your name?
Okay, Captain Lewis, thank you. Get back on your prison property and leave public photographers alone, please.
Is that what you're doing?
I'm engaged in public photography. I'm working on a story on the prison. It's the largest, oldest, formerly the largest walled prison in the world. I'm doing a story on it.
Part is?
Pardon me?
Do you know which part is the oldest part? I can
Right
tell
here,
you.
this is central. If you would like to help me out, yeah, it'd be a lot better than getting gang stalked and having the police called on me. And
Well,
all your
first
other-
of all, hold on. You gotta calm down. First of all,
don't tell me to calm down when
Yes,
you
I
you
did.
have
I'm just trying to
10
talk to you.
correction officers bearing down on you for public photography.
Well, this is actually state property over here.
Yeah, over there.
So we don't
You're right,
have
over
people-
there it is, but
Yes,
not on
we
the
do.
public easement.
Well,
This
that's
is
fine,
public
but
easement.
You're filming also, right? And you're allowed to film from the street. That's okay.
Are you
right?
familiar with the First Amendment?
But we don't. But usually we get told when people are doing it. When people like professional do professional business, they usually tell us what's going on. So that's what I'm asking. That's all. I'm trying to get the story.
Fair enough.
That's it.
Fair
Man, I
enough.
don't want no trouble, man. What's up? So are you doing that, or what you doing?
How many officers do I need to tell what I'm doing here? I've
Well, I don't know what
I've
you told anybody.
Well, then go talk to your officers, gather your information from your other officers, and then come talk to
Wow.
me.
Is it like that? Is that how we have to do things?
I've told you many
I'm
times.
just trying to understand what
I'm
you're
here,
doing.
I'm gathering content for a story. I'm an independent journalist,
Okay.
gathering content for a story about the formerly oldest, largest walled prison in the world. That's all, Michigan State
Okay.
Prison.
Well, I'm understanding what you're saying, but here's what I'm going to tell you. You could probably get more information if you contact our people in Lansing, because they do allow some things like this. But if you never contact them, that's why we don't know nothing about you. That's why we're asking questions. So that's it.
Okay.
Nobody, look, nobody's doing no more than asking you questions. That's it. And I understand you got the public part of it down, where you're talking about you're trying to be correct, and I understand that. But that's not what we're doing. We're not bearing down on you. We're asking you what you're doing. That's all we're doing. Is that harmful? Is that stopping you from doing what you're doing?
Well, let's put it this way. Anytime the law enforcement is called on someone, police kill one person every 7 hours in the United States. They kill 1,200 people a year. And you guys called the police on me for public photography, threatening to trespass me. I've never been on your property. I've been on a public easement the whole time. So you tell me how you would act in that type of situation.
Well,
If you were
first
under
of all,
threat of being killed.
I'm not armed. But if you're trying to film the oldest prison in the Michigan, state property is protected. We understand that. But usually we get a visitation is usually arranged. But we do have a museum right there that you're able to go into and look at it all you want.
Last time I was here, I was told I couldn't go in there. They said it was closed.
Oh, that's open to the public.
That's what I told them, and one of your guards run me out of here and told me I couldn't be here.
Well, I don't know about the guards, but that's set up on something else. I don't know about that, but it's open to the public. It's open for all the business hours. They do tours there.
That's what I tried explaining to him, but he decided he wanted to throw his weight around on me and treat me like I was an inmate instead of a law-abiding citizen. So,
I understand. So,
I want to say his name was Pelham.
okay.
But I've got no hard feelings towards Pelham or anyone
Okay.
else at this facility. I'm just, like I said, I'm just working on a story. I appreciate you guys letting me be. Gather a few more shots of the front of this building, and then I'm going to be on my way. I'm going to be out of here. It's getting hot out here. I don't want to be out here. I don't want to be out here all day.
Okay.
So you guys gonna let me gather a few? I'm not gonna go down there and take pictures of those inmates. I'm gonna get some pictures of these buildings here, and then I'm gonna be on my way. So